How to get unbanned from Grindr. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can get unbanned from Grindr. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to go ahead and then get unbanned from Grindr, it is actually very simple to do that. Now, you might have been banned for a couple of reasons. The first reason could be that due to suspicious activities and maybe spammy behaviors on your account, many people reported you and that's why you got banned. In most of the cases, just appealing the ban would solve the problem. And in other cases, Grindr could have limited your IP address from accessing the server. And the way to bypass this is by simply changing your IP address. So how do you change the IP address? Well, first of all, you can change the IP address simply by switching from one Wi-Fi to another. Or if you don't have another Wi-Fi, you can simply switch to cellular data and try to log into your account. Or if that's also not the option for you, in that case, you can simply open up the App Store and search for any of the VPN applications as well. When you connect to a specific VPN, it's going to change the IP address. As a result, it could give you access back into your account. After that, what you can try to do is make sure if the Grindr app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and then open the Grindr application and try to log into your account, and you should definitely be able to log in. Hopefully, one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.